War veteran Blessed Geza, who died in exile in South Africa last Friday, deserves a national hero burial despite his fallout with President Emerson Mnangagwa, ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mchangwa said. Sarabina Mash Wabda Pankwa and Christopher Mchangwa, Ubda Chara Chidi, Geza deserves a national hero burial. And was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibin of Nombo Blank Gomjins Geza, a former MP and ZANU-PF Central Committee member, died with treason charges hanging over his head after calling for a national protest last year aimed at removing Mnangagwa from power. The protest ultimately failed but triggered widespread disruptions, with more than a dozen activists still in custody, while scores of other dissidents fled into exile alongside him. Opinion within ZANU-PF over Geza's legacy appears split, and Mchangwa's remarks mark the first public reaction by a senior party figure since his death. In course, both the party and war veteran feel that he is a comrade who fought at the last mile. We blame this on the fact that Geza was no longer well, Mchangwa told the Daily News. He was thus not thinking properly, which made him vulnerable to people who want to steal the history of the people of Zimbabwe. We embrace him back as ZANU-PF and war veterans. We say your history will not change, despite what happened recently. Mchangwa said Geza deserves a decent burial, adding that war veterans would push for him to retain his National Liberation War status. It cannot be taken away from him, he said, adding that they would also provide immediate support to Geza's widow, Roslinda Wengwa. He appeared confident that Mnangagwa would ultimately approve a burial befitting of a Liberation War veteran. Geza was largely unknown nationally until January 2025, when he appeared on a YouTube broadcast announcing that he and a group of fellow war veterans were withdrawing their support from Mnangagwa, accusing the president of corruption and misrule. He soon fled into exile, continuing online broadcasts that drew significant attention among Zimbabweans. Doma developments aripopangwa ine tiona Mchangwa achiti Geza aiwa must be declared a national hero. Pena comment section medu za fungo emu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like achita on the bell icon.